How to add payment method on TikTok. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application TikTok. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this For You page. Simply move into your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Move into Settings and Privacy. Head over to Security and Permissions inside Account. You'll see the option Browser Settings. Tap on it. You will see all payment information. Click on it and then tap on Add a New Card. Now enter the information of your card that you want to add. First of all, enter your card number. Once you have entered, enter the expiration date. Once you have entered, tap on Confirm. If the informations are correct, your payment method will be added on TikTok and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.